Emsella is a treatment designed to improve pelvic floor strength and bladder control, enhancing overall intimate health and confidence. It helps to reduce urinary leakage, strengthen pelvic floor muscles, and restore better bladder control without surgery or downtime. Using high-intensity focused electromagnetic technology, it works by stimulating thousands of supramaximal pelvic floor muscle contractions to rebuild strength and support bladder function. This treatment is ideal for individuals experiencing stress urinary incontinence or weakened pelvic floor muscles and looking for a non-invasive solution for improved control and function. Typically, this treatment offers noticeable improvements within approximately 3 weeks after completing treatment, with optimal results achieved through 6 sessions spaced every 2 to 3 days, followed by maintenance as needed. The treatment takes approximately 30 minutes and is generally comfortable, with some clients experiencing a mild tingling or muscle contraction sensation during the procedure. There is no downtime, and most clients can return to their daily activities immediately afterward. Book a consultation to see if this treatment is right for you.